Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials. Log into the trade website with the same account you use in-game and enable 2FA for security. This prevents hijacks. Once done, make sure you know the exact character name and league, because searches and messages rely on them. Also, pick the currency you want to price items in Chaos, Exalted, or Mirrors, and check the market rate briefly so your listing is competitive, not wildly over or underpriced. Now you create the listing. Paste the exact item text from the game or upload a screenshot so stats match precisely. Inaccuracies kill trust. Next, set your price using current market rates, decide whether it is bin or negotiable, and confirm the league. Once listed, specify stash location clearly, tab, row, column, and prepare a whisper template for quick responses. This saves time and avoids mistakes during trades. Then monitor incoming messages and update price if you get no interest. To complete the deal, respond to the whisper and verify both names and league immediately. This prevents scams. Then move the item into a public stash tab as agreed, confirm the buyer has the required currency in their stash, and use the trade window to exchange. Once both see the exchange, finalize it. If something goes wrong, first check your 2FA and connection. If mismatch or dispute happens, relist the item and keep screenshots and chat logs as.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.